Good morning, class. The chapter subject verb agreement we are discussing. Now, you see, up to exercise E, already we have discussed. If you go through my last videos, you can see there we have discussed about these exercises. Now, learning with Ladybird this part, what we can know from here that how to do the passive forms like the verbs and by with the by plus the person, like that way with helping with this structure we can frame the passive forms of the sentence. Okay, and like I have seen. Okay, the scenery is seen by me, like that. The passive form, active passive in the voice change we'll use to do this all. In higher classes we'll come to know, but little bit information about the what you call passive form is given. We use the passive when we are more interested in the verb than we are in the person doing the verb. So while we are more interested on the verb than the person we have used, that time we use to with the passive forms. Clear? If we want to say who does the verb, then we use by plus person. Who does the verb? Who does the verb? If we question who does the verb, if we question, then we can answer through by plus the person given. By plus the person given. Clear? Like I am giving example. Mother bakes the cake. So when we'll just, who does the verb? This one. Bakes is the verb. Who does? Mother. Clear? So it is the verb. This one. Who does the verb? Mother. When we will focus on that time we are using this one as passive form. Like if we transform this one into passive, how we'll write? The cake. The cake is made by, the person is mother, so we'll write mother. Are you getting my point what I said? See, here what is the verb? The verb is bakes. While we'll question on the verb, who does the verb? Means who does this one? Mother. So this is very important. We are taking this one more importantly. Then we'll transform it into by plus the person. What? Who does the cake? The cake is made by. Why is? Because it is simple present. In the simple past also we can do, simple present also we can do. Like you see, mother bakes the cake, it is simple present. So in that case we have to use is, because the cake is singular here. So the cake is, now we have to use, sorry I wrote here made, it will be baked. Baked. The cake is baked by mother. Clear? Baked. Then the past form, past participle form, the V3 form we have to use here. The V3 form. Like go, went, gone. So the V3 form is gone. That one we have to use. Clear? So it is the example of, I am telling you, simple present. It is the example of simple present. Clear? Now one example of simple past I am writing, like the girls played football. See, the question is that the girls played football. Now who does the verb? The girls. We are focusing on that. So we'll write that one. Football. Football. It is football. Was. Why? Because it is played. It is past. So football was now played. The V3 form is played only. Football was played by the girls. Though it is very less that girls are playing football, but I am giving example like that. Clear? The football was played by the girls. Why was? Because it is in simple past. It is the example of simple past. Clear? It is the example of simple past. So both the example I have given, simple present, simple past. Simple present, you see, mother bakes the cake. We are focusing on the verb, then the person. So the cake is baked by mother. That is the passive form. Clear? Similarly, in the simple past, you see the girls played football. Football was played by the girls. Why was? Because it is a simple past. Clear? Now, related with this, we'll discuss two exercises here. Page number 111. You can see here two examples. Already words like the main verbs are given. We have to write properly. Clear? Related with that. Like first one is already prepared. This plane is flown every day. Is flown every day. Clear? A lot of socks. A lot of socks. It can be, see, fly cannot be, drink cannot be washed. So a lot of socks are washed every day. Okay, are washed every day. Many clothes are many clothes are sold. Sold. So many clothes are sold in this shop every month. The water is drunk. The water is drunk by the cat this morning. Is drunk. Clear? The food is made by the mice. The food is eaten. The food is eaten by the mice yesterday. The snowmen were made last Tuesday. It is past only. The snowmen were made last Tuesday. Number 5, the food was made. The food was eaten by the mice yesterday. Again, I am telling number 1. This plane is flown every day. It is simple present. A lot of socks are washed every day. It is simple present. Many clothes are sold in this shop every month. Simple present. The water is drunk by the cat this morning. It is also present. The food was eaten by the mice yesterday. Simple past. The snowmen were made last Tuesday. Simple past. Clear? Number 1 exercise. Number 2, you see, write sentences in the present simple passive or past simple passive. Okay, related with that. Food is sold in the supermarket every day. First one is done. Many cats are made. Many cars are made in this factory every year. Every year means it is actually simple present simple passive. So many cars are made in this factory everywhere. Made by V3 form always we have to use, keep it in mind. The sandwiches were made by my mom this morning. Clear? The window was not broken. The window was not broken yesterday. So it is past simple passive. Clear? So these are the exercise. Solve these two exercises with the help of this form. Okay? And write these two exercises in the copy. Till then, thank you class.